Boil lemon with this ingredient helps remove excess fat and lose weight quickly. Today, we share with you a natural weight loss remedy with a phenomenal result: boiled lemon. In fact, a Spanish pharmacist has stated that regular consumption of boiled lemon combined with a balanced diet can help you lose up to 10 kilograms. You can use lemon or lime because their nutritional values and potential health benefits are the same. Here we use lime because they are available in our kitchens. You will need 2 limes or lemons and extract all their juice into a bowl. Vitamin C in lemon and lime helps fight obesity-related inflammation, increases fat breakdown, and prevents your body from converting glucose to fat. Apart from this, they help keep your digestive system healthy and remove toxins from your body, which may otherwise build up and cause more weight gain. A good digestive system and a toxin-free body are indispensable when it comes to losing weight and reducing the fat content of the body. To lose weight fattest with lime, we recommend you combine them with these ingredients that can help you speed up weight loss many times. They are ginger and garlic. For garlic, you will need 2 garlic cloves and peel them. When combining garlic with lime or lemon in this recipe will boost the speed of burning fat in your body. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that garlic can stimulate the fat burning process and help you maintain healthy body weight. It also is an appetite suppressant, so keeps you fuller for a longer period of time and prevents you from overeating. After peeling the garlic, cut them into thin slices. For ginger, you need 3 grams of fresh ginger and also cut it into thin slices like garlic. Adding ginger in this recipe helps to ease blockages in your colon and promotes a natural cleansing action. By removing toxins through the bowel, your body will lose weight quickly. Now, add all garlic and ginger into a blender. Then, add the lemon juice into the blender. You need to blend these ingredients until getting a homogeneous mixture. This helps the nutrients in garlic and ginger easily dissolve into the water than during the boiling process. After that, pour this mixture into a saucepan. Add 1 liter of water. Put this saucepan on the stove and cook with high temperature until the mixture in the saucepan is boiling. When the mixture is boiling, lower the heat and boil it for 5 minutes. During this time, the nutrients, substances, and the ingredients will be released to the water, creating a magic weight loss drink can help you lose weight fast. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and leave it cool. After the mixture has cooled, your effective weight loss drink is ready. Pour into a cup and sip every morning on an empty stomach. The indicated doses are sufficient for 2 or 3 days, and the drink can be kept in the fridge and consumed cold or heated again before being taken. If you like sweet, add a teaspoon of honey, no more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.